hot gossip you want to share with me?
Since last year, actually, we initiate 7 system cable, what we call is ICE cable, Indonesia Cable Express, but it's not merely focused on Indonesia, basically, but it's to address the situation in Asia. So it's 7 system, but actually 9 project. I think the total project is going to be around 2.7 billion US dollars, but we form kind of the consortium with others. There are already 14 companies that are joining for this project.
The first thing to come out of Xtera is we're expanding manufacturing, two new manufacturing facilities. Also want to leave you with the message that Xtera, looking beyond, we are really disruptors in the industry, and I'd like you to consider that we are the SpaceX of subsea.
So I've got a bit of news hot off the press. So as of New Year's Eve last year, we've paid for an additional power capacity in Portugal. So we're now looking for another site a little bit closer to Lisbon where we can deploy our additional power, supporting our customers' growth in the region.
Yeah, the gossip this week, I think, is that I've heard that Aqua Comms is launching or very close to launching an 800 gig service offering to its customers. We're not quite there yet, but it is a bit of gossip, and it's a case of watching this space.
Oh my God, Isabel, I have so much gossip to tell you, but I can't. There is so much going on in the industry, a lot of changes, a lot of CEOs leaving and CEOs replacing. But you know, in my professional, I can't say anything. I know a lot, but I can't say anything. The only thing that I could say to you is I encourage people that see all the changes not to get stressed about it. Just sit tight, hold your chair until things will calm down.
Well, I can tell you that we've made tremendous expansion both with Doug's division and our recent agreement expanding with APR Energy, and we're moving into the power business as a part of that, and all the businesses are linked. So the company's about to embark on a terrific growth path, and we're putting out lots of announcements this year.
We're getting ready to announce it here in Q1 a large partnership with OCP, which is going to give us, a significant presence at the OCP Global Summit in Santa Clara, which is a huge event, give us a huge platform for the Nomad Futurist message.
We completed an acquisition of a company called Starface in Germany, which is a big UCAS provider, which is quite exciting. We see Germany as a really big market for us. And then lastly, we've got some exciting developments coming out in the next few weeks around our SMS product, and we got more footprint coming out in the next 2 or 3 months as well. So it's a really interesting time and exciting time for Gamma.